This is a Garrard model Type A. These were produced in the mid-60s or early to mid-60s. Very nice heavy two-piece platter. And I've gone through it, cleaned all the old grease out of all the moving parts, including the motor and platter bearings. Resurfaced the rubber idler wheel, and everything works great. This is used as a unique pusher system. Pushes the next record off the shelf of the center spindle. And you'll notice the sizing arm will check the size of the record, so it knows where to set the tone arm down on.